guys, I'm Andy. Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm showing you the herbivores dinosaurs box. If you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more videos. Do this if you're a newcomer. Comment if you're like an old comer or you already see this channel and you follow it, so I can know what you guys want to see on my channel. So let's just get on with the showing. So I'm going to put this on the side. I'm going to put this piece of animals. We're going to be showing it in the front. Not in the sides, but in the front. We do it to my ultimate episode 5, which is going to be the last one, showing you the biggest. Episode 4, before that, it's going to be showing all the mini dinosaurs you see them. And we might show you the dinosaurs if we have time. I bet we won't. We might just show you that before the minis. Show you the box. I want to show you in a separate video after the series is kind of done with that. And we might show you it in the episode, which is going to be before that. Before watching the dinosaurs. And we might do some more stuff. You never know. So I'm going to put this on the side and I'll show you them. Let's camel down. Box. I'm showing you. First we have a there's in the source. We're going to put them right here. We're going to put them right next to the baby woolly mammoth. First woolly mammoth. Second we have this stegosaur. You never know where I get this. I got this from Mrs. Campbell's Campbell Mart. Just to let you know, I have, if you know, I'll upload a video. If you might not know this already, I think I'm going to upload a video about that. I don't know if I did or not, but I'll tell you. I actually have autism. ASD, the autism disorder spectrum disorder. Just a trouble with communication. As you know, I do not like school. My classmates know that. Some of school is just very boring, but some of it is amazing. Like science and writing. Like science is amazing. Because now we're working on fossils, and since I might show you what's in my backpack. Show you some fossils. And I'm going to show you the Giganosaurus. Here is Echinosaurus. And what's special about this is it actually has a skeleton. So you can just take it out and you can have a skeleton of Echinosaurus. This is fake. This is toy skeleton. Smaller than the real thing. Because the real thing is way bigger than me. Way bigger than the box. Echinosaurus is about somewhere around 20 or 30 feet. So guys, this is just the background talking. Don't listen to that because this unboxing is way cooler than that compared to that. This amazing unboxing. That's important. So we have the Pachycephalosaurus. We have this Brachiosaurus. We have another Brachiosaurus. I got this from Scotland. We have this, not Brachiosaurus, but it's a Camarasaurus. That's something familiar. I got this at a party for my babysitter, Annie Barclay. I didn't get it from her. I got it from Annie Barkley was at the party, but she was not the one who gave it to me. I don't know who it was, but it was someone at that party. It was sometime in June. It's Paris office right here. This nice triceratops. It actually makes noise. See? It makes a Godzilla roar for some reason. It's only a mini roar. Maybe showing that it's not. And to let you know, guys, actually Dinosaurs Day is a fact. I'll tell you some facts while I do this. Dinosaurs actually did not roar. They could looked like a chicken. Something from there. This is just impressions. Stegosaurus toy right there. I also got that from Mrs. No, I didn't. I think I actually did. I might have. It's nice. Squishy pterosaur lava toy. Right here. Show everything. And then we have this nice baby like dinosaurs. It looks pretty adorable. So adorable. It's adorable. His teeth. Neck. His tail. And another fact. Dinosaurs do not have their tails go down. A little bit down, but actually up. And their tails up. Unlike this very inaccurate pterosaur, which does not have his tail. Dinosaurs do not have their tails down. They don't drag their tails down. Tails are usually up. Just like this Platypus toy. Luckily, I have this toy to show you guys. To show you that dinosaur tails, okay, it's close to the ground. It's not meant to be ground. Another Diplodocus toy. I got that from Geo World. It was good. They got on my birthday. I got this Centris from Terrabitat. There's actually a Stegosaurus. People think it's dinosaurs or herbivores, but it's not. I really want that toy. It's not the only animal. I actually got that an Africanthrosaurus from Germany. No, that's actually one of the only ones I got from Terrabitat. Then I got this Dracorex toy. And to let you know, these are not all carnivores, some omnivores. The omnivores count in there. They look more carnivore rather than herbivores. Not. Here we have a Stegosaurus. This is a Nigersaurus. It's from Niger in Africa. Not the toy, but the dinosaur thing comes from Africa. Then we have another Stegosaurus. Then we have this Therizinosaurus. I kind of broke this claw because I was playing with it a lot. Sometimes that happens in toys. And don't think this is, I don't think you should not think this is normal. I mean, not normal. Because it's normal sometimes when some kids do that. Here's a Triceratops. It's right near the dinosaur. I'm going to get the dinosaur. Well, I think it's long to show you another one because some of the carnivores actually slipped. Maybe because there's so many. Or it's all been jammed in some other areas. Some other things just around there. That to let you know that was something else. Some food in there. I don't know how that got in there. To to the epic unboxing. Then we have this Torosaurus and this Brachiosaurus. Men think this is Triceratops. Actually, it's actually Triceratops, not Torosaurus. I'll tell you a little story while I unbox this Brachiosaur. Some scientists actually think they use this thing, but not anymore. That the Triceratops there. Some people, not everyone else know. We don't know it. No, most of us. Only some people watch us know it. A lot of people, besides you guys, know it and love it. But I know it, but I don't love it. And Dinosaur is the one I know and love. And why I'm not showing any dinosaurs? Because we're going to save those for last. And last equals best. Sometimes. Pentacer... No. It doesn't say what it is, but this is not a Triceratops. This is a Pentaceratops. May I get them both confused? Here is another Dinosaurus. Got it? Because it could actually say his name on it. Most dinosaur toys actually do. There's a Styracosaurus. There is a Triceratops. Mini Wangsaur? No, it's not a mini one. It's a Wangsaur. We're getting near the part where there's only ankylosaurs. A lot of ankylosaurs at the top. These are stegosaurs. More stegosaurs coming. Triceratops toy. And that was one of the first Actually, that was the first Triceratops toy I ever got. I actually got that sometime when I was 6. So now you know that I love dinosaurs, like since I was 6. Or 5. It's not completely 5 years, it's 4 years and something. It's June 11, it might be 5 years and something. 4 years and something. So, Stegosaurus and Parasaurolophus. More Stegosaurus for some reason. I'm actually going to put the sword pods in the back. The Brachiosaur and the Camarasaur, they're taking everything. So we're going to move the Parasaurolophus and we're going to move the Stegosaur. And to end it, and the part, Parasaurolophus. Actually, it's not Parasaurolophus. It's this T-Rex-like, even though it's not a Iguanodon. Because the Parasaurolophus, Parasaurolophus is not long enough, man. It's not wide enough, basically. Parasaurolophus can't live with it. Then we have finally, the Parasaurolophus. More Parasaurolophus. Pachyphynosaurus. Another just kind of Ceratopsium. A Kentosaur. Not billions. not millions. There's just a lot of ankylosaurs in here. Because I have so many ankylosaurs in my collection. So it's huge. It's a huge collection of dinosaurs. Huge collection of ankylosaurs and a way even huger, even bigger, enormous collection of dinosaurs and huge, big collection of prehistoric animals. You never know. All these dinosaurs could be as big as an ankylosaurus. And I mean, like, all of these combined into one in their life. They could be very huge if they were all turned into one tool. It would be very big, very huge. And counting my triceratops, it would just be way bigger than me. Maybe 10 feet or something. And that's really big for a collection. It's huge for a collection. I'm actually one of the only people in the world with this huge of a collection. We have a Critosaur right here. Have an Allosaur. And Nathosaur, that's his name. A Critosaurus. This is a Critosaurus. No, I'm just kidding. Not a Critosaurus, this is actually a Pointosaur. Sorry, sometimes when I take a tool, sometimes when it's a long video like this, I make mistakes. And if you think, I don't do dinosaurs anymore, no, I do. That was just a little mistake. So, piece of white. There's an Anatosaur right here. Some of the back. Some back dinosaurs, Triceratops. Now we're getting into the only dinosaur zone. Chasmosauridae, Triceratops. So many dinosaurs. Can't even see any other dinosaurs. It's hard to find those. Pachycephalosaurus. So there's some small dinosaurs in there. Parasaurolophus. I was about to say Pachycephalosaurus. Not lying. Anapatosaurus. Of the Brontosaurus. Brontosaurus actually does exist. That's a fact. Stegosaurus. It's not Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus or something. It's Stegosaurus. It's a very confusing name. Or something. Actually, sit. Here's a joke. It can fit for two animals, a pterodon and Stegosaur. One is the pterodon, and the Stegosaur goes to the bathroom because the P is silent. Because that's a joke, and I kind of didn't make it up. I feel like I took it away, but Stegosaurus instead of a T, there's a P. Not instead of T as the letter that is in there, it's a S. Stegosaurus. Everyone forgets there's a P. Everyone knows there's a P, but they sometimes forget that actually the S is the first letter in the name. So here we have found all of these are encounters. There can be no more other types of dinosaurs that I will reveal to you anymore. At least in episode 3. Yeah. First, I'm going to put them in the front since they're the most important dinosaur in my opinion. Don't fight with my opinion, because it's mine. Gastonia. Ankylosaurus. Mini Ankylosaurus. Europocephalus. Hylaeosaurus. Europocephalus. Ankylosaur. Here's a nodosaur. Ankylosaurus or Europocephalus, and the Polacanthus. Ankylosaurus. Sauropelta. I'm going to put the Sauropelta in the kind of front side. Panacosaurus, just like Boris the Panacosaurus. I'm going to put them in. Here's two giant ankylosaurs. I'm going to put them with a Scridosaur, which is a dinosaur non-encounter. Cychania. Mini encounter. Similar to this one, except smaller and a different color. It's no red in it. It's only yellow. That kind of yellow is kind of slightly darker. Cychania. Another giant Cychania. They're kind of actually the same. Minmi and Edmontonia. Another Panacosaurus. The Vivian from The Good Dinosaur. Very familiar for me. The name. And the encounter because this Europocephalus and the Polacanthus. Actually, the first encounter was Sauropelta. It's one early encounter and the best of the dinosaurs. The best of the toys, the dinosaur. He's gonna be in the front. And around the sides of him and his dinosaur, I'm gonna do it like this. And in the back, there's gonna be minis, and then there in the back, there's gonna be the big dinos. The very huge dinos. I might put them around there. Actually, I'm gonna huge dinos. Huge dinos, the hugest of the herbivores. The Camarasaurus #1, Brachii #2. inky dinosaur in the front, sword pelta, Brontosaurus in the side, and just two other big dinosaurs on both sides of him. So there, guys, is my collection. Oh yes, I forgot. Dinosaurs. Dinosaurs also make those sounds. And those come up. So I'm gonna put him. So as you can see, here's my collection. The main dinosaur here in the carnivore line is this dinosaur. Number 2. And as you can see, all the carnivores, and some are omnivores actually. Then we read here to the prehistoric animals. Scutosaurus is the leader. I should actually put this Dinosaurus there. And this Postosuchus around the side of them. Move over the other toys. You can see just all the other toys. Leading to the biggest of them all, the herbivores. Magosaurus, Camposaurus, and the Ankylosaurus, sword pelta, Brontosaurus. The two other big Ankylosaurs. And the Ankylosaur, the leader of all of these prehistoric animals, the best of them all, I would say. And episode 4 will be based off. Episode 4 will show you all of these mini dinosaurs. There'll be some humans in there, but these mini dinosaurs will be super cool, and it'll be so amazing for you guys to see them. Let's get some other thing out so you guys can see all these mini dinosaurs. These are so awesome. I hope you guys can't wait for this, because these mini dinosaurs are going to be some of the smallest. And the smallest toy is actually a Triceratops. And the biggest will show you the smallest dinosaur toy in episode 4. Was one of them. And the biggest in episode 5. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, share. Thanks for watching, guys. And bye.